So I'm Brian Holliday, Managing Director for Siemens Digital Factory. So the Made Smarter review started life as the Industrial Digitalisation Review. It set out working with government and industry to find the advantages in using technologies for the fourth industrial revolution. The idea behind that was that if we were to adopt faster, that maybe manufacturers could benefit in being more productive and more competitive, and hopefully government would sponsor and support that activity too. The review has 3 game-changing recommendations: adoption, innovation and leadership. On the adoption side, it calls for a national adoption programme, policy instruments that actually would stimulate investment. On the innovation side, the report calls for better leverage of our innovation ecosystems, better signposting of some of the assets that we've got. And on leadership, it recommends the creation of a Made Smarter Commission that will help with our aspiration as a country to lead in the fourth industrial revolution, but also help engender leadership into the companies, particularly small to medium companies, who can benefit from industrial digital technology adoption. So the report took a look at some of the transformational technologies that could help industry, not just the industrial Internet of Things and its ultimate connectivity to help analyse industrial data and help make better decisions, but also in some of those technologies that augment human effort in the workplace, like robotics, like virtual reality or augmented reality. But we were looking too at some of the ways in which these come together to help create the factories inspired by the thinking behind Industry 4.0, for example, to help make companies more productive and also much more competitive in the future. What's next? Well, hopefully a government-sponsored Made Smarter Commission, a government and industry working together on an adoption campaign that highlights the benefits of some of the technologies, and industry, academia and government working together to try and address some of those skills and innovation and uptake challenges that are going to provide a shot in the arm for the economy. For Siemens, it's really important to be part of this, to be part of the conference today, but also to be a really good community member in the manufacturing sector. We have 15 factories here, around 15,000 people, for which approximately 9,000 of those are engaged in engineering and manufacturing activities. We're also a tech company, and I guess we've got some insight to the opportunity that's there. But being part of this conversation is really important to us to make sure that we are contributing to the skills, innovation and adoption conversation that needs to take place.